Hey guys, it's Jacob. Today we're going to have the unboxing and first impressions of the Hoover Air Cordless 2-in-1 Stick Vacuum. So I got this today at Target for around $99. It was on sale. The regular price is around $149. And I just got this because I had a Shark sweeper and the battery started to not hold a charge. It would probably die around 5 minutes. And yeah, and I decided I need a little more than a sweeper because we recently got a puppy and she is starting to shed a lot. So yeah, I decided to pick this up today and I'm going to unbox it. Alright, why don't we get started? I'll tilt the camera up a little. So for the purpose of time of this video, I already cut the tape. So all we have to do is flap down, open it up. And the first thing we see is cardboard. Set that aside. Then we have the handle here. We got the bolts to go on it and the tool caddy. It's a very nice handle. It's very beefy and you have your controls. You have hard floor and carpet. Then next is the main unit, along with another piece of cardboard. Three pieces of cardboard. Whoops. Box over to the side. Let me make sure you can see this. We have our main unit here. And then we have another little box with the instruction booklet. It looks to be the battery. This has a lithium-ion battery, so that means the power won't die down as your vacuum runs low on battery. And here we have the charger, and also the onboard crevice tool. So that's all you get in the box here. And so why don't we assemble it? Alright. To assemble this, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, because you do have to screw in a screw here. Now make sure you can see this. Yep. We are going to slide the handle on here. Then we put our tool caddy on here. Screw it like that. Alright, sorry about that guys, I just took a quick look at the owner's manual, and this, you just pop the handle on, and then the tool caddy just slides right in here, and just get your screw, and screw it in like that. Alright, so it appeared that my screwdriver was too big, so I switched it out for a smaller one. I apologize for the inconvenience, guys. Finish the job here. nice and tight. Alright. And that's basically all the assembly you have to do. And yeah. So now we're going to just put our crevice tool in here. It slides in like this. Nice and convenient. It's on board. Alright, so the next thing Hoover recommends you do is to charge the battery. Now this battery takes approximately 3 hours to fully recharge, so excuse me. All you have to do is plug in your charger to the outlet. Put it on the bottom here. It just clicks in like that. So you can see it's on 2 lights already. And yeah, that's my cat's socks. And yeah, it should be ready to go in 3 hours. Alright, so now for my first impressions. This really seems like a more high quality hand vac, or excuse me, stick vac, than what I paid for it. I mean, I only paid $99 for it. I thought I was just going to get another one of those, stick vacs that, used to, just do that quick messes. But no, this looks like it could handle more. I can't wait till my battery is done charging so I can try it out. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the first use of this vacuum cleaner. Bye. Hey guys, it's Jacob. Today we're going to have the unboxing and first impressions of the Hoover Air Cordless 2-in-1 Stick Vacuum. So I got this today at Target for around $99. It was on sale. The regular price is around $149. And I just got this because I had a Shark sweeper and the battery started to not hold a charge. It would probably die around 5 minutes. And yeah, and I decided I need a little more than a sweeper because we recently got a puppy and she is starting to shed a lot. So yeah, I decided to pick this up today and I'm going to unbox it. Alright, why don't we get started?